This is the kind of stuff I really do not like because when things arrive unannounced, it's kind of annoying. But nevertheless, this looks like a big package. I'm not sure what's inside. So let's have a look. What's inside? Came from Singapore, and I was not expecting anything from Singapore. So it can be anything. I was not in talk with anyone from Singapore. So yeah, this is kind of strange, but nevertheless, these are the Campfire Audio IEMs. This is strange for me, mostly because I was supposed to have a tracking details on this. I asked Ken if he will uh, share the tracking details, but I do not mind. I do not mind at all. But it would have been much better. I would have anticipated it much better if these were shipped with the tracking details on them. So I have a few stuff here. Four IEMs, two top of the line and two entry level IEMs. So let's make it a two-part affair here. The entry level IEMs, these were released very recently, and one strange thing I really saw with these things is that these cheaper IEMs too come with the exactly same cable that the more expensive IEMs ship with, which is kind of strange because that cable on its own costs $100, and these IEMs are priced at 200 and $250, which is kind of strange because just imagine you are getting the same kind of stuff while you are paying less, much lesser, and that's kind of a bonus. They could have obviously gone for a less premium cable, but it seems that they do not want to bother themselves in making another cable at all. So this is what they have as their stock cable, and that's what they are doing. The Satsuma is a single BA driver IEM, and it's a full range single BA IEM. I, I'm not in favor or not against it at all because single BA is never bad, but I cannot say it's the best either because there will be some limitations. These are not etymotic, so unless they have pulled off something really excellent here, I am not exactly sure what to expect exactly. But let's see. This looks nice. Campfire Audio, very good packaging. They have changed these packagings very recently, so that's a good thing. I think this should contain all the stuff. Oh, come on. Okay, so this is the IEM and cable here. This what I like about this premium brands. You can see some premiumness here. These things are kind of rare most of the times. The cable and this is a tip manager to be precise, nothing else. This is good. Satsuma. Okay, so this connector is very tiny. You guys can see the connector is tiny, and this is plastic, nothing extremely fancy here. This is plastic. Good, very good. Build quality is good nevertheless. I like this kind of build quality, and the cable is good too. This is the Smoky Lids cable that retails for $100, and this is supposed to be another carry pouch or what? Let's see. Yeah, few more tips organizers. Okay, that's really nice of them. They are not placed haphazardly, which is a very good thing. Okay, so this is a cuffling. Okay. Oh, nice, nice, nice. One cuffling. I don't know why they are doing this kind of stuff. One cuffling. Oh, oh, wow, wow. These are final tips. This is kind of strange. There's a pair of final audio tips. Wow. This is what I was not expecting here. Final audio tips. Oh, there must be a set, I think. Yeah, there are a set. Let's put them back. This is very good thing. Very good stuff. No doubt about that. Very much commendable. And what else we have here? We have some generic tips here. The wide bore generic kind of tips. What else on the other side? There are some other tips too. Okay, so these are foam tips, bullets foam tips. That's very generous of Campfire to be equipping the entry level IEM with generous amount of tips. This final audio tips on themselves cost around $20, which is, oh, I'm impressed what they are doing with this entry level IEMs. If not for the sound, these accessories are worth it on themselves. So this is very good from Campfire here. I'll be comparing it with a few other IEMs in this price range. I just received the ICO series of IEMs, so yeah, definitely I will compare it with them. But good, very good. Okay, so this is the Sasuma. I'm not exactly sure what the pronunciation is. I'll pronounce the T because Sasuma is like mother-in-law in Hindi, to be precise. Oh man, we are touching 7 minutes. So this is Honeydew, the single BA IM. This one is supposed to be priced at $250. I'll go faster. These are my first Campfire Audio IEMs. I have never worked with Campfire Audio before, so this is kind of a pleasant surprise for me. I'm really liking this. This came as a surprise to me, mostly because these were unannounced. I was asking for the tracking details, but I never got them. Nevertheless, I do not mind. Campfire Audio, same exact set of accessories, I believe, just the color difference. Obviously there's some color difference. This is more army green, this is light army green, deeper army green, light army green. I'm really curious to see if there is any size differences between these earpieces here, so that will be kind of interesting. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, I do not think there is any size difference here, so let's have a check. Is there any difference here? None whatsoever. I do not see any kind of differences here. Same cable, same ear tips. Let's compare the sizes. I don't know how one will be able to tell this apart if not the color. The deeper one is supposed to be the Satsuma and the lighter one supposed to be the Honeydew. Yes, this can be distinguishing factor too. There's a vent here. The vent is supposed to be for the dynamic driver, as BA drivers do not need any kind of venting. So that's it. I do not think there is anything different here. Same set of accessories, so I'm not exploiting it. You guys saw that with the Satsuma, so that's it. That's the unboxing of Honeydew and Satsuma from Campfire Audio. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.